here we are swapping out the hubs for SVR hubs. So I wanted to show you the difference here. Zeroed out, so the space between this back, let's see, and here, and this one, I'm going to say that's 25 just because of some rust and stuff. This is 25.7, so say 25.5 millimeters. So I'm going to swap this hub out with this newer one right here. And you're going to see how this sticks out farther. So let's go ahead and get this on there. After you take the old hub out and put the new one in, make sure you clean this really good. Make sure it's all nice and shiny. There's no gunk in there. And then we can put the new hub in. I'm just going to do that right now. Right here. Just going to... There we go. It's on there. And I'll bolt it from the other side. Put the new hub on. There's the S model. There's the SVR. Let's go ahead and see the difference here. And like we did with the other one. 32. So if we go to measure the back of this, well, let me see. Here we go. The back of that to the front of this is basically, I'm going to say, it's 50. So we do the same thing with this one. 44 and a half versus 50. So that extra little bit really makes a difference to get the clearance on the rotors. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this off, put this back together. Alright, this is a factory rotor, front rotor. Let's see what we got here. It's like 32 millimeter. And we'll measure the VAP one to see the difference. Coming along on the brakes on the driver's side. So here's the VAP. Get a measurement on this one. I'm gonna go 36 millimeters. So that's pretty good. Go down to 34. So let's get this bad boy on there.